You can learn Korean 10 times more quickly if you just follow the rule of micro sentences. So follow these 2 steps to exponentially increase your Korean learning capabilities. Step number 1, separate into micro sentences. For example, you can separate this sentence, I went to school with my friend today, into 4 smaller sentences like this. Today with my friend to school I went. You can also separate it like this if you want. With my friend today to school I went. And rule number 2, as always, whatever sentence you have, place the verb at the end of the sentence. And here's a bonus rule, yay! No pronouns. 80 to 90% of the time, we already know what you're talking about. We already know who or what you're talking about or what you're referring to. So, only when you're introducing a new subject, such as your dog, only then would you put dog at the beginning of the sentence. And so we have exactly 6 ways to structure a sentence like this. So we have 오늘 학교로 친구랑 갔어요. Today to school with my friend I went. Or 친구랑 오늘 학교로 갔어요. With my friend today to school I went. Or 학교로 친구랑 오늘 갔어요. To the school with my friend today I went. Or 오늘 친구랑 학교로 갔어요. Today with my friend to the school I went. Or 친구랑 오늘 학교로 갔어요. With my friend today to the school I went. 학교로 오늘 친구랑 갔어요. Which is to the school today with my friend I went. Usually, the feeling of the sentence changes with which words you put first. And of course your tone, but it is a very imaginative language that'll reward you in so many ways than you can ever imagine.